Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI. HUMIIYE has a great lamp you have to check out. Let me tell you about it. I absolutely love that this is a cordless lamp. It has the perfect amount of light and dimming capabilities. You can change it to low, medium, or high light by simply holding down the top smart touch control. I also really like that it is easy on the eyes at any brightness, and it also has anti-glare design. This is great for living rooms, bedrooms, offices, and even outdoor camping. The lamp features a wood finish. It's very stylish and yet neutral to go with any decor. Its standout feature, in my opinion, is the portability. We use this mainly in my son's room, and he carries it with him in the house when it's dark. It's absolutely perfect for him because it's lightweight and easy to use. This is an excellent choice if you wanted it as a bedside table lamp or for camping or any type of outdoor adventures. It's also perfect on a porch, hanging out there at night. We use it on my dining table sometimes, and I just love the versatility of this, and I would definitely recommend. It has easy charging here at the bottom, so the fact that it is cordless is such a nice design feature that you can take this literally anywhere you want to go and simply charge it, and the charge lasts a really long time. So I don't think you'll be disappointed, but that is just my point of view.